Hello and welcome to another episode of What's Inside. Today we're looking at two booster packs from the Legend of the Five Rings Aftermath expansion. Each one contains 11 additional cards to add to your collection, and these are of course from AEG, and these came out in 2013. Now what I like about AEG is they do perforate the packaging so that it's easier to get into the packs. So let's tear into these and see what we've got. Alright. We've got a Nanaka, Tenkoji, an Exotic Market, Benediction, Kakita, Ujuru, I don't know how to pronounce that. Breaking Rhythm, Bayushi Mafuyu, The Way of the World, Tagoshi Obote, Unpleasant Truths, and Thoughtless Sacrifice. Alright, so yeah, pretty decent assortment of green and black cards there. And which one was our rare? Oh, it doesn't look like we got a rare. Did we? Yeah. Yeah, it's the Thoughtless Sacrifice was our rare. So let's put that aside here while we look at our other pack. Alright, we've got a Miramoto Hatsuto, Never Without a Weapon, that's a green one obviously. Goju Obayashi, that's a black card. Suffer the Consequences, green. Yukahima's Hot Springs, that's a black card. Floating Reserve, green card. Tsuruchi Shusaku, that's a black card, and horrible pronunciation effort on my part. Then we've got the Earth's Armor, green card. Natsumi, that's a black card. Reverse Fate, that's a green card. And lastly, Changing the Game. This is a black card, and it is also our rare. So that's what's inside these two packs. What do you say we do an additional pack? I happen to have a third one here. I actually have quite a few of these laying around. So let's do a third pack, see what we got in there. We've got a Warrior's Brutality. That is a green one. And Ukoma Takakura, that's a black card. Hold the Walls, that's a green card. Doji Kurohime, black card. Unseemly Alliance, green card. Kitsuki Miroken, that's a black card. Then we've got Strategic Withdraw, green card, and a polite way of saying running away. The Broken Man, black card. The Way of the World, green card. Togashi Obeti, I have no idea how to pronounce that, but it's a black card. And lastly, our rare is Versatile Blade, which is a green card. The art is always pretty good on these. I'm actually really impressed with the art quality on most of the Legend of the Five Rings stuff. So, but that is 3 packs of Aftermath expansion from the L5R card game. Collectible card game. So that'll do it for this episode. Just wanted to kind of see what was in these packs and get kind of an idea of what you can expect. So that's what's inside, and as always, thanks for watching, and we hope to see you next time.